For competitive exams, UPSC, SSC, state PCs, the evolution of India is typically divided into three primary blocks: ancient, medieval, and modern. The ancient India include Indus Valley Civilization, Vedic period, Mahajanabdas and heterodox sects, the Mauryan Empire, the Gupta Empire. Indus Valley Civilization is between 2500 to 1900 BCE, the era of urban planning, drainage systems, and the Bronze Age is termed as this period. Key sites are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Vedic period is between 1500 to 600 BCE. Transition to the Iron Age occurs in Vedic period. Composition of the Vedas and the emergence of the Varna system in this period as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Vedas divided as Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. Development of iron smelting in this period. Mahajanabdas and heterodox sects in 600 BCE. Rise of 16 great states. Birth of Buddhism, Gautama Buddha, and Jainism, Mahavir, as a response to ritualism in this period. In the image you can see political rise. A central map illustrates the 16 Mahajanabdas and the growth of powerful urban centers like Magad. Spiritual shift. Profiles of Buddha and Mahavir explain the emergence of Buddhism and Jainism as ethical alternatives to ritualism. Societal change. Detailed icons highlight the shift from Vedic sacrifices toward individual effort, ethics, and the opposition to caste rigidity. State infrastructure. Side panels showcase advancements in administration, trade guilds, and military warfare using elephants and chariots. The Mauryan Empire in between 322 to 185 BCE, first Pan-Indian Empire. Ashoka the Great promoted Dhamma, non-violence, after the Kalinga War. The image depicts imperial splendor. Patliputra stands as a fortified marvel, showcasing the power of the first Pan-Indian Empire through massive gateways and royal palaces. The path of peace. Following the Kalinga War, Ashoka the Great erected majestic stupas and pillars in Sanchi to spread the message of non-violence and Dhamma. Engineering excellence. Advanced waterway management and irrigation networks fueled the empire's prosperity, turning arid lands into a thriving agricultural backbone. Vibrant urban life. Beneath the imperial gaze, bustling city marketplaces and organized quarters highlight a sophisticated civilization united by trade and spiritual transformation. The Gupta Empire is between 320 to 550 CE, the Golden Age of India. Peak of Sanskrit literature, Kalidasa, science, Aryabhatta, and art. Follow Sharwana's Knowledge Hub for Part 2 about medieval India. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.